Hi, DigiDino here. I thought I'd just test this quick. So what I did is I have here an FSM. I didn't use it on the cubes, but I tried also already on the cube himself so that I could use the use owner, and that worked also. So I have this on trigger stay and await, and then the cube here targeted, and that's this big green one. And then I have another cube to move in, and let's play this. And let's go back here. Okay, so trigger is not triggering at the moment, and let me move this. At the moment it hits here, it triggers and it stays triggering, so that looks good. Let's move him out and try the other way around. Move this one in, and that seems to be working. Let's try one more and put him in from start. And that seems to work also. And then just one more trigger enter, so then it should go only once or even none. Yeah, it goes once and then it stays, so the way it should be. And on trigger stay, yeah, it's fine. So I can't really repo this, but I know there is a bug that when you scroll here inside and it moves somewhere in here, and that is some kind of issue there. So if you would have that also, maybe that has something to do with it, but I can't repo at the moment, as in this project works still fine. So I'm not sure how to trigger that also. It just happens sometimes, and to me also. So we're still looking what's the problem really with that. So anyway, if you have issues with it, maybe if you could possibly show a movie with your states and stuff, and you can also PM it to me if you want, if you don't want to do it public, so I can see what's going on, and maybe even I can look to the project, to your project, if I can do something about it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.